Welcome to Wedded to Wisdom, the social hub for lifelong learning. Have you ever noticed how we're all fervently hooked to screens? If screens were to be counted as drugs, it's safe to say that the majority of us would find ourselves in rehabilitation. It's a startling reality, isn't it? Smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, even our window screens are now equipped with the ability to send out tweets. Of course, the last part is an exaggeration, but the reality is not far from it. Imagine, if you will, a gathering at an App Addicts Anonymous meeting. This scene. I rise, clearing my throat and introducing myself. Hi, my name is Sandra. I'm an addict. Understanding nods greet me, because those in attendance have walked down the same path as me. And my addiction isn't just any addiction. It's an addiction to the hard stuff. Facebook, now known as Meta, addictive like methamphetamine. Twitter, now referred to as X, a digital equivalent of ecstasy. TikTok gets people hooked like crack rock. Consider this fact. The average individual in the US interacts with media for a staggering 11 hours a day. If you're up for 16 hours, you're spending the majority of your day mainly interacting with media, with only 5 hours for other activities. Did you know that half of all teenagers admit to being addicted to their mobile devices? If smartphones were a drug, they would undoubtedly be the crack of this generation. Pausing for a moment from technology is akin to giving your brain a day at the spa. Really, you'll have improved sleep and improved relationships. People might actually start locking gazes once again. Do you recall the times when people would engage in conversation at dinner, instead of merely exchanging memes and GIFs? Now, initiating a digital detox does not require you to quit abruptly. Here's the strategy. Set clear boundaries. This is like telling your phone, after 8 p.m., you are of no use to me. Find alternatives. Remember books? Those items with pages that you flip through? Yes, they still exist. So, go and read one. Turn off notifications. Every time your phone makes a sound, it's like a tiny machine demanding your attention. Just switch it off. Let it call out into the nothingness. Use technology mindfully. When you do decide to use your phone, have a reason. Don't just scroll aimlessly. Don't respond to your phone notifications like a mindless zombie. Control your phones and devices. Do not let them control you. It may be called a smartphone, but you are smarter. Look, the emergence of the digital detox isn't some passing trend. It's survival, my friend. In a world where your phone is clutched in your hand more than your loved ones, perhaps it's time for us to step back. So, are you prepared to disconnect and truly experience life? Believe me, your brain, and perhaps even your thumbs, will be grateful.